Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from Outlook app. So, as you can see, I'm using the 365 desktop version of the Outlook. And if you want to sign out from the Outlook app, you want to go to File, then go to Office Account, and then Sign Out. Just click on the Sign Out. Here are some informations that you are signing out of Office, and you need to save any files to synchronize with the cloud. I guess you want to read it, and then just click Sign Out. Now, as you can see, there is an account error, can't display online services and whatsoever. What you want to do right now, if you even click back, you can still see, as you can see, you cannot see anything right now because the Microsoft is going to ask for the password. After closing the app and opening again, the Microsoft is going to ask you to sign in to Office, and nothing is going to work in the Outlook app without signing to Office. As you can see, it even freezes right now, so let's just close it. And if you want to use the Outlook again, you need to sign in with your password. So this is it. This is how you sign out from Office, from Outlook, sorry. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe this channel. Bye!